Good morning, food waste warriors. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural disinfectant with your leftover citrus peels. I've got orange and mandarin today, but you could use any citrus that you have, lemon, lime, whatever you've got. If you haven't signed up to our food waste program, click on the link and follow the instructions to do so. We'll send you a few emails so that you can be a food waste warrior as well. This is one I prepared earlier. It smells absolutely divine. So what you're gonna need is a jar with a wide mouth. It's gonna help you get your citrus peels in here a little bit easier. You'll need some vinegar. You can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, whichever you would prefer. And then of course, our leftover citrus peels. These ones are pretty big, so I'm gonna cut them in half and then I'm just gonna pop them into my jar. Like so. Get them in there. Mandarin skin, whatever you've got. Fill it all the way to the top, pushing it down as you go. Okay, to that, I'm gonna fill it with white vinegar. And then I'm just gonna leave that in my cupboard. I like to just put mine under the sink. It needs to be in a nice dark spot. It'll generally take a couple of weeks. You'll notice it'll change color. It'll change color to whatever you've put in there. So if you've put lemon in there, it'll be a yellow color. If you've put orange in there, it'll be an orange color, lime, vice versa. And you're left with this liquid. Once you get to that stage, you can either pop it in a spray bottle that you already have or a jar that you've got as well. And then we're just gonna slowly and carefully siphon out all of that liquid, like so. And you're left with this beautiful disinfectant. You can use it on pretty much any surface to get rid of the germs. Thanks for watching, you guys.